Hello and happy Halloween. Today we're going to be talking about similar figures. So similar figures, the corresponding angles are congruent, so that means they're equal, they'll be the same, and the sides are proportional. So we need to tell whether these polygons, which polygons is another word for shapes, are similar. So for the first one, I see that all of my corresponding angles are going to be similar. So this one are not similar. All my corresponding angles are congruent, so they'll be equal. So these two, and these two. Now I need to see if my sides are proportional. So if I take this side, which would be 9, on the other side, the one that would go along with that would be 15. And then let's do the 6 and the 14. So I'd have 6 and 14. So if I do 9 times 14, I do not know that off the top of my head, 9 times 14, I'd get 126. And 15 times 6, I think, would be, okay, that's what I'm going to say, 90. And so I see those are not equal. So these ones would not be proportional. On this next one, I can see that my corresponding angles are congruent, and sometimes you might even have to rotate the shape to be able to see or like flip the shape in order to see which sides go together. Now I need to look to see which ones of my sides are proportional, so I'm going to put the 3 on top, and I'll put the 6 on the other side, and then I have 4 and 8. So if I do 3 times 4, I'll get 24, and 4 times 6 would also give me 24. Ka-chow! I also need to do the other one. So if I have 3 on the other side, I'll have 6, and then 5 and 10. So 3 times 10 is 30, and 5 times 6 is 30. Ka-chow! On this last one, the long side over here is, again, all the angles are congruent, corresponding angles. The long side is 5. The other long side I have is 3. And then I have 12 and 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. And 12 times 3 is 36. So those ones would not. I guess I should be putting no or yes on these. So that one was no. This one was yes. This one was no. So yeah. Have fun. If you have any questions, I'm here.